The Ensifera, commonly known as the sword-billed hummingbird, is a remarkable species of hummingbird found in the Andean regions of South America, including countries like Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. It is most notable for its extraordinarily long bill, which is longer than its body, making it the only bird with such a unique adaptation. This specialized bill allows it to feed on nectar from long-tubed flowers, particularly those of the Passiflora mixta plant, with which it has a co-evolutionary relationship. The sword-billed hummingbird has a metallic green plumage, a white chest, and a slightly forked tail. Despite its impressive bill, it faces challenges in preening and feeding due to the bill's length. It is an agile flier and plays a crucial role in pollination within its ecosystem. However, habitat loss and climate change pose threats to its survival. Conservation efforts are essential to protect this unique species and its habitat.